Welcome to our channel Easy Learn, Funny Learn. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hi my dear kids, in this part 1 video we are going to see set 2 of class 5 NSO level 2 OSDS. The first section is science. First one, study the given flowchart carefully and select the correct option regarding it. So P is an animal which lives on land and can fly. So P may be either swallow or eagle because ostrich and kiwi are flightless but they cannot fly. And then Q is an animal which live on land and cannot fly. So Q may be human. So option C is incorrect. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. So R is an animal which have scale, that is fish. And then S is an animal which do not have scales, that is whale. So option B is the correct answer. Second one. Which among the following animals has body covering different from the rest? So among the given option, fish is covered with scales while the body covering of snail, oyster and octopus lacks the scale. So the odd one out is option D, fish. Okay. So the correct answer is option D. Third one, which of the following is correct regarding the animal shown in the figure? So the animal shown in the given figure is Arctic tern. It is a migratory bird. Option A, they travel from Arctic to Antarctic in winter. It is the correct statement. Okay. They travel from Arctic to Antarctic in winter and goes back during summer. So option A is the correct answer. Fourth one, Samir, insects breathe through spiracles. It is the correct statement. Raj, insects have 6 legs to walk or crawl. It is also correct statement. Rashi, insects have feathered wings to fly. It is incorrect. They have wings with scales to fly. They do not have feathered wings. Okay. So only Samir and Raj make correct statement while Rashi is incorrect. Okay. So option C is the correct answer. Option C. Next, fifth one. Eggs are animals having sharp front teeth for biting and strong broad teeth for chewing. What are eggs? So we know herbivores are animals that eat only plants. They have sharp front teeth called incisor for biting and broad teeth called molars and premolars for chewing and grinding of food. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A, herbivorous. Next, sixth one. Which of the following statement is true about the animal shown in the figure? It has streamlined body. It is the true statement. B, it has hollow bones to make the body light in weight. It is also true statement. C, it has feathers to fly and keep the body warm. It is also true statement. D, its hind limbs are modified into wings. It is incorrect. Its forelimbs are modified into wings. Okay, the given figure is of eagle. So its forelimbs are modified into wings. So the incorrect statement is option D. So the correct answer is option D. Okay. Next is seventh one. The given diagram shows section of a bone. In which of the following parts new blood cells are formed? Okay. New blood cells are formed in bone marrow. So in the given figure, P represents compact bone and then Q represents spongy bone and R represents bone marrow. Okay. Bone marrow is the soft and spongy matter found inside the cavities of long bones. New blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Option C, bone marrow. Eighth one, select the incorrect match from the following. Option A, vitamin A, beriberi. It is the incorrect match because deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness and deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Okay. So B, vitamin C, scurvy, true. And then deficiency of iron causes anemia, true. And then deficiency of calcium causes osteoporosis. So option A is the incorrect match. So option A is the correct answer. Ninth one. Which of the following is correct regarding the part labeled as P, Q, R and S? So please check the given picture. P is the skull. Okay, P is the skull. which encloses and protects the brain. While Q is cerebrum, okay, Q is cerebrum, which is responsible for thinking and reasoning. And then R represents cerebellum, which controls balance movement and muscle coordination, where S is the medulla, which controls involuntary activities such as breathing, digestion and blood circulation. So option A, S encloses vertebral column. It is incorrect. B, P is responsible for thinking and reasoning. It is also incorrect because cerebrum is responsible for thinking and reasoning. That is Q. Okay. Next is C. R controls balance, movement and muscle coordination. It is the true statement. Okay. R is cerebellum. It controls balance, movement and muscle coordination. So option C is the correct answer. 10th one. Select the correct statement regarding the given figure. So please pause the video and please check the given figure. So in the given figure, optical nerve is labeled correctly and then pupil, it is labeled incorrectly. Actually, retina is labeled incorrectly as pupil. Okay, retina is incorrectly labeled as pupil. And then lens, again incorrectly labeled. Cornea, okay, cornea is labeled incorrectly as lens. And then pupil is incorrectly labeled as retina. Iris, it is labeled correctly. And then cornea, lens is labeled incorrectly as lens. So in the given figure, only optical nerve and iris is labeled correctly. Okay. So option D is the correct answer. Both iris and optic nerve are labeled correctly. Option D is the correct answer. 11th one. Anita cannot sit properly in dark. The doctor advised her to take green leafy vegetables in her diet. So she is most likely suffering from, yes, she is most likely suffering from night blindness, which is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. So option C is the correct answer. 12th one. Study the given diagram carefully. Which of the following is correct? So please check the given diagram. So in the given diagram, P is effort, okay, P is effort, and then Q is load, and then R is fulcrum, okay. So it is an example of second class lever, that is wheelbarrow, in which load lies in between effort and fulcrum. Effort is the part where force is applied to do work, and load is the part on which work has to be done, and fulcrum is the point of support for the lever. So option A is the correct answer. P is effort, Q is load and R is fulcrum. So option A is the correct answer. 13th. Shruti performed an experiment in which she tried to germinate 4 seeds put in 4 different beakers P, Q, R and S having different conditions as given below. So we know seed need air, water and warmth to germinate. So P having air and warmth but no water. So it is incorrect. Q having water and warmth but no air. Here also seed won't germinate, okay. Or having air and water but no warmth. S having air, water and warmth. So in S beaker the seed will germinate. So identify the beaker in which the seed germinate, that is beaker S. So option C is the correct answer. 14th. Which of the following is incorrect regarding the part labeled as W, X, Y and Z? So option A, bougainvillea reproduces by Z, okay. So we know bougainvillea reproduces by stem. So Z is stem. So option A is correct one. Next B, brophyllum reproduces by Y. So we know brophyllum reproduces by leaves, okay. So Y is leaf. So option B also correct statement. Next C, sugarcane reproduces by W. So we know sugarcane reproduces by stem. So but W is a bud. So option C is the incorrect statement. So the correct answer is option C, okay. 15th. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. So dandelion, we know seed dispersal is by wind. Okay, so A3, and then xanthium, we know seed dispersal is by animals. So B1, A3, B1. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, geranium, seed dispersal is by explosion, and coconut by water. Okay, so A3, B1, C4 and D2. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. 16th, in India, crops that are grown in summer are called kharif crops. Which of the following are kharif crops? So in India, crops that are grown in summer season are called kharif crops or summer crops: rice, jowar, maize, peanut, millet, peach, lychee and watermelon, or some crops that grow well in summer season. Okay, so in the given option, peanut and then millet, maize and rice. Okay, that is 3, 4, 6 and 7. Option B grows well during summer. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. 17th, which of the following is incorrect statement regarding the given figure? So option A, P get dispersed by wind. It is the true statement. B, Q gets dispersed by animals. It is also true statement. C, R and S gets dispersed by water. Actually, R is lotus seed. It is dispersed by water. But yes, it is dispersed by explosion. So C is incorrect. And D, R get dispersed by water. True. While P get dispersed by wind. It is also true. So option C is the incorrect statement regarding the given figure. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. 18th, I am X. I hold the plant firmly in the soil. Besides, I also observe water from the soil. Who am I? So we know root absorb water from the soil and also it hold the plant firmly in the soil. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. 19th, refer to the given figure that shows process Z, which is used for removing soluble impurities and involves two processes X and Y. Select the option that correctly identifies X, Y and Z. So X is the process of converting liquid into water vapor on heating, that is process of evaporation. So either option B or C will be correct. And then Y is the process of converting water vapor into water on cooling. So it is the process of condensation. And Z is the process of distillation. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Option B. Distillation is the process used to remove soluble impurities from water. So option B is the correct answer. 20. X is a dense, dark rock formed when lava cools above the earth's surface. What is X? So X is a basalt, is a hard, dark volcanic rock formed when lava falls from volcanoes and cools above the earth's surface. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A. 21. Study the diagram below. So P is the process of converting gas into liquid, that is condensation. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. And then Q is the process of converting liquid into solid, that is freezing. And R is the process of converting solid into liquid, that is melting. And S is the process of converting liquid into gas, that is evaporation. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. 22. Select the correct option regarding the process shown in the given figure. So please pause the video and check the given figure. The given figure represents the filtration process. Filtration is the process of separating insoluble impurities present in a solvent liquid using filter paper. Okay, so D is a mixture of insoluble impurities, that is E, plus solvent F. Okay, solvent is liquid. And then E is equal to D minus F. And then F is equal to D minus E. Okay. So D is equal to E plus F and E is equal to E is insoluble impurities. So D minus F and F is the filtered water filtered liquid, that is D minus E. Okay. So option A, substance D contains E and F both. It is true. And then option B, substance E is D minus F. True. And then C, substance F is D minus E. True. So option D, all the statements are true. So option D is the correct answer. 23. Diesel is refined from crude oil obtained from oil wells. Besides diesel, what other products can crude oil produce? So crude oil can produce kerosene, petrol, LPG as well. So option D, all of this is the correct answer. Okay, option D, all of this. 24. Dia took 4 beakers containing equal amount of water. She wanted to check solubility of some solids like sugar, salt, talc and sand. She added the solids to each beaker and stirred the contents with a spoon and waited for some time. What would she observe? So we know sugar and salt are soluble in water, while talc and sand, okay, talc and sand do not dissolve in water, they are insoluble. Okay, so option A, sugar and talc are soluble in water. It is incorrect. B, sugar, salt and talc are soluble in water. It is also incorrect. C, sugar, salt, talc and sand all are soluble in water. It is also incorrect. D, sugar and salt are soluble in water while talc and sand are insoluble. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D. 25. The given figures X and Y show soil erosion caused by different agents. Select the correct causal agent of soil erosion at X and Y. So in figure X, the soil erosion is caused by water. Heavy rain causes floods. Flooded river and running water remove the top layer of soil, making the land barren and unfit for cultivation. Okay. So in figure Y, soil erosion is caused by wind. Strong winds carry away lot of topsoil. Soil erosion by wind in desert area result in the formation of sand dunes. Okay. So in figure X, soil erosion is caused by water, and in figure Y, the soil erosion is caused by wind. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you my dear kids for watching this video. In our next video, we are going to solve the remaining questions. Please check the playlist for more videos. Thank you. All the best for your level 2 exams. Thank you.